beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time coming to our channel, my name is Atuneke. So this is my daughter, her name is Halimat. I'm going to be sharing with you all how I achieved this gorgeous lovely jumbo box braid on Halimat's hair. This hairstyle only took me 1 hour 20 or 1 hour 10 minutes to achieve. This is a very simple hairstyle and very fast hairstyle. So I've already shared with you all what I'm going to be using to achieve this gorgeous jumbo box braid. Please kindly watch to the end, because you need to watch this video to the end if you want to achieve this kind of hairstyle on your hair or your daughter's hair, because I won't be dipping this into hot water so that the jumbo won't shrink, as in the big size of the hair, it won't shrink. Just watch the end so that you understand what I'm trying to explain. After I finish with the hair, sectioning the hair, I will start braiding the hair. I make use of this expression braiding hair. They've already picked the hair, so that is a easy way to achieve this hairstyle on time. I didn't start stressing myself about picking the hair, and I used 2 colors of hair. So can you see the tip is purple while the top is like black purple. Always make sure to oil your rubber band before using, and you can see how I pick the hair. I love using this method so much to make my daughter hair, because it's a very fast method and it's beginner friendly. If you don't know how to braid, just look at it very well. This method is a very fast method, painless. The hair won't even be painful. Instead of me picking the hair from the root, I love using this method so much. So after I finished braiding the hair, she said she wanted some beads towards the head of the hair. My daughter does not like attachments. I was so surprised how she was comfortable after I did this hairstyle. She really loved the hairstyle. Normally she want me to use Brazilian hoop, but I was so surprised, maybe because she's already growing to a big beautiful girl. So she didn't even complain about the attachment I used, that maybe the thing is just disturbing her at the back of her, because she complained a lot. So she said she wanted beads towards the end of the hair, so adding some beads to as in add some spice to the hair. I really love how the hairstyle came out. I did not add any hair gel to achieve this hairstyle. I did not add any hair gel at all, and this came out so beautiful and neat. That is why I really love using this method. I did not add any gel to her scalp, to the root of the hair, to the tip of even adding her hair. I did not. The only thing I did was, after I finished washing her hair, I twisted her hair. I kept her hair into a twist. So when I wanted to make this hair, I removed the hair from the twist, so the hair was already stretched. I didn't even straighten the hair or anything, and I'm really loving the look and the vibe of this hair. So I'm done with the hair now. So after adding the beads, I'm going to be trimming the hair. So this is the part I said you must watch to the end. So after I finish trimming the hair, let's keep on watching. You are going to see what I'm talking about. I didn't dip this hair into the hot water because I don't want the jumbo part, because by the time I dip it into the hot water, the hair is going to be kind of slim. It won't be big as it is now. So now I'm just adding oil to a scalp, my DIY homemade hair oil. So after adding that to the scalp, so this is the part I'm talking about. So that is hot water. I just dip the towel into the hot water, then I use it to rub the body of the hair. If you dip the hair into the hot water, the hair won't be kind of jumbo like this again, and I want the jumbo part. The hair should be big as it is now. So that is what I did. After that, I added some olive oil mousse and olive oil sheen to add a very beautiful nice smell and to add a very beautiful shine. So that is all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Feel free to communicate with me in the section box below. I really appreciate you guys for your love and support. She really loves the hairstyle so much. Look out, she's just giving us a different angle for you to see a beautiful hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Ciao. Mwah.